Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for joining me from wherever you are. Today there will be a short presentation into some of the laws and halachot pertaining to Pesach or Passover. This just to say a quick disclaimer, just to make it clear to people listening. It's not intended to be a comprehensive explanation of all the laws, and further details can be found in Shulchan Aruch, Mishnah Berurah, or other relevant sources. The source of this talk is going to be from the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, Volume 2, by Metsudah Publications. In chapter 111, Siman Kuf Yud Aleph, entitled Bedikas Chomet Uvitulo, which means the search and notification of chometz. So it starts off Halacha 1 Aleph, Balayla B'lifnei Erev Pesach Bertkum Es Chometz. On the evening of Erev Pesach, the search of the chometz must be made. You must make the search immediately after nightfall. Nightfall is defined by the Mishnah Berurah 431:1, immediately after the appearance of the stars. It's forbidden to begin a meal or do any work half an hour before nightfall. It's permitted to have a small snack, and if you begin the meal earlier than half an hour, you must interrupt your meal when the searching begins. Then it goes on to say, a search is made with one and not several candles. Wax is commended here, but it says you may also use a tallow candle. A search is carried out in all rooms in which chometz is suspected to have been brought. Prior to the search, a bracha is said, Baruch atah Hashem Elokeinu melech haolam asher kishanu mitzvah tzivanu al be'er chometz. Blessed you, Hashem, our God, King of the universe, has sanctified us with His commandments, and commanded us to consider the removal of chometz. There is also a custom that small pieces of bread are placed around the search, so the bracha is not said in vain, v'latala. Okay. Chometz is put away for sale or for food. And the main point was immediately after the search you should notify the chometz. The action of the case takes place in your heart when you decide in your heart that you consider all chometz in your possession as non-existent, as worthless, as compared to dust, as something utterly useless. The sage can ordain or to express your thoughts verbally to declaring kol hamil or chometz in any language. One does not understand, kol hamil is written in Aramaic, but you can say in language such as English. The English translation of Aramaic text is any leaven or chometz that is in my possession that I have not seen or not removed should be nullified and become unrich like the dust of the earth. So I hope this was helpful in the basic points, which are the system practical observance. Please feel free in the comments. Feel free to subscribe. I hope to do another part soon, and I wish you all a special one. Take care. Bye.